Can you guess the country from its famous dish? 50 tasty questions ahead, let's dig in. Question 1. Which country is poutine from?
A. France. B. Canada. C. Belgium.
B. Canada. Question 2. Which country is pad thai from?
Vietnam. B. Thailand. C. Cambodia.
That would be B. Thailand. 3. Which country is pierogi from?
A. Russia. B. Germany. Or C. Poland.
C. Poland.
Number 4. Which country is tagine from? A. Morocco. B. Tunisia. C. Egypt. The answer is A. Morocco.
5. Which country is ceviche most associated with?
A. Mexico. B. Peru. C. Chile.
That would be B. Peru. 6. Which country is rendang from?
A. Malaysia. B. Thailand. C. Indonesia.
The answer is C. Indonesia. Question 7. Which country is moussaka from?
A. Turkey. B. Greece. C. Lebanon.
B. Greece.
Let's see. Question 8. Which country is kimchi most associated with? A. Japan. B. China. Or C. South Korea. It's C. South Korea. Question 9. Which country is jollof rice from? A. Nigeria. Senegal. C. Ghana. It's B. Senegal.
10 down. Question 10. Which country is pho from?
A. Thailand. B. Laos. Or C. Vietnam.
That would be C. Vietnam.
Question 11. Which country is bobati from? A. Kenya. B. South Africa. Or C. Ethiopia. The answer is B. South Africa. Question 12. Which country is arepas from? A. Colombia. B. Venezuela. Or C. Ecuador. That would be B. Venezuela.
Okay, number 13. Which country is feijoada from?
A. Portugal. B. Brazil. C. Angola.
That would be B. Brazil. Number 14. Which country is borscht most associated with?
Pol. Russia. Plang. Poland. Plung. Ukraine.
That would be C. Ukraine. Number 15. Which country is nasi goreng from?
A. Malaysia. B. Indonesia. Or C. Philippines.
It's B. Indonesia.
Number 16. Which country is goulash from? A. Austria. B. Czech Republic. C. Hungary. It's C. Hungary.
17. Which country is biryani most associated with?
A. Pakistan. or India? C. Iran.
The answer is B. India. Question 18. Which country is baklava most associated with?
A. Greece. B. Turkey. Or C. Syria.
B. Turkey. Question 19. Which country is empanadas most associated with?
A. Argentina. Spain. Or C. Mexico.
The answer is A. Argentina. Okay, question 20. Which country is ramen from?
A. China. B. South Korea. Z. Japan.
When?
21. Which country is injera from? A. Somalia. B. Ethiopia. Or C. Sudan. The answer is B. Ethiopia.
Question 22. Which country is paella from?
Portugal. B. Italy. Or C. Spain.
The answer is C. Spain. Number 23. Which country is currywurst from?
A. Austria. B. Germany. Or C. Netherlands.
That would be B. Germany.
Number 24. Which country is coccinha from? A. Brazil. B. Portugal. Or C. Colombia. That would be A. Brazil.
Halfway there. Question 25. Which country is haggis from?
A. Ireland. B. England. C. Scotland.
Really, C. Scotland. Next up, 26. Which country is pupusa from?
A. Guatemala. B. Honduras. C. El Salvador.
The answer is C. El Salvador.
Number 27. Which country is khachapuri from? Armenia. B. Georgia. Or C. Turkey. That would be B. Georgia.
28. Which country is bunny chow from?
A. Australia. B. South Africa. Or C. India.
B. South Africa. Okay, question 29. Which country is mole poblano from?
A. Peru. Guatemala. C. Mexico.
The answer is C. Mexico. Question 30. Which country is Plijeskovica from?
A. Croatia. B. Serbia. Or C. Bosnia.
The answer is B. Serbia.
Question 31. Which country is mansa from? A. Jordan. B. Lebanon. Or C. Iraq. Jordan. Question 32. Which country is adobo most associated with? A. Mexico. B. Philippines. Or C. Spain. The answer is B. Philippines.
Question 33. Which country is ackee and saltfish from?
A. Trinidad. B. Jamaica. C. Barbados.
It's B. Jamaica.
34. Which country is koshari from? A. Lebanon. B. Egypt. C. Syria. The answer is B. Egypt.
Question 35. Which country is smorgasbord from?
A. Norway. B. Sweden. C. Denmark.
It's C. Denmark. Question 36. Which country is cacio e pepe from?
A. Italy. B. France. C. Spain.
The answer is A. Italy. Number 37. Which country is shakshuka most associated with?
A. Israel. E. Tunisia. C. Morocco.
Tunisia. Question 38. Which country is lahmacun from?
A. Turkey. B. Greece. C. Iran.
The answer is A. Turkey.
Question 39. Which country is pão de queijo from? A. Portugal. B. Brazil. C. Argentina. That would be Brazil. Just 10 more. Number 40. Which country is baba ganoush from? A. Turkey. B. Lebanon. C. Egypt. It's B. Lebanon.
Question 41. Which country is poke from?
A. Japan. B. United States. C. Philippines.
B. United States. Number 42. Which country is samosa most associated with?
A. Pakistan. B. India. Or C. Afghanistan.
That would be India. Question 43. Which country is biltong from?
A. Namibia. B. Zimbabwe. C. South Africa.
That would be C. South Africa.
44. Which country is manti from? A. Turkey. B. Uzbekistan. Or C. Mongolia. A. Turkey.
Question 45. Which country is pastel de nata from?
A. Spain. B. Brazil. Or C. Portugal.
C. Portugal. Question 46. Which country is kattu roti from?
A. India. B. Sri Lanka. C. Bangladesh.
That would be B. Sri Lanka. Question 47. Which country is fondue from?
Once. B. Switzerland. C. Austria.
That would be B. Switzerland. 2. Let's see. 48. Which country is titio baki from?
A. Japan. B. China. Or C. South Korea.
The answer is C. South Korea. Question 49. Which country is savapi from?
A. Bosnia. B. Serbia. C. Croatia.
It's A. Bosnia.
Last one, number 50. Which country is pavlova most associated with? A. Australia. B. New Zealand. C. Russia. That would be B. New Zealand.
That's all 50 dishes. How many did you get right? Comment your score below and subscribe for more food trivia.